Is it espresso or expresso? Let's make one and find out. Espresso is a strong coffee made of dark roasted coffee beans. It's put through a high pressure process in an espresso machine, and boiling water or steam is pressed through the coffee pretty quickly. And that's why you might hear some people call it expresso, because it's express. But actually, expresso with the K sound, like express, is a misspelling of the Italian espresso. So you might hear some people pronounce it as expresso because it comes fast, express style. And due to all of this, expresso with an X spelling and an X sound has now been adopted into dictionaries. So you will see both espresso with the S and expresso with the X as both common now for usage in English. But if you want to say it in the most authentic way, close to the Italian espresso, you want to say it without the K. Espresso, espresso. Hey, if it's an express type of day, why don't you get an espresso and chill out? Thanks for watching.